What's up, guys? This is Matt with Conservative Trades, and today has been a very slow and choppy Friday. I'm actually ending the day down. Well, so far, I'm ending the day down. I still have 50 shares here short in Codex, and I don't know. I'm waiting for a flush down. I'm waiting for a flush down. So right now, my P&L reads 230 negative 233.73 cents. So that's kind of how far I am into the red. But you know what? Today or this week has been a great week. We're still ending the week up almost $2,000, not quite, maybe 1,800 bucks after all fees and commissions and everything for the course of the entire week. But it's just been one of those days, and I don't know if this. Well, I've got a lot of theories. I've got a lot of theories, and depending on what day trading channels, YouTube channels you go to, depending on who you listen to, everybody's going to have a lot of different theories. The S&P 500 is definitely a big part of a lot of the speculation, and the coronavirus, and so I think we've come into the market today, and it's very possible that, I mean, this is the 5 minute chart of the S&P 500. It's very choppy. Nobody has any amount of certainty one way or the other on where all of this is going to go. The buyers and the sellers are pretty much just trying to figure out what the price on everything should be, and I think that's playing into a lot of these other stocks here that have been had major run ups. So I don't know, guys. It's there have been several times where I was in the green on stocks, but I didn't take it. I wanted to let it run, but no stocks are really just running today. They're not just running. They're just kind of going back and forth and back and forth. ALT is the perfect example. I got in here, short, averaged in, averaged in, averaged in. At one point, I had, like, I don't know, 600 or 800 shares, and I started to take my first piece off here, and I was waiting for a flush down. I was waiting for a break of all of these levels, and I was just going to take my happy little profits all the way, kind of like Bob Ross, right? Happy little profits. I was going to take my little profits on the way down and end the day right there with maybe a $400 or $500 trade. But as you can see, it completely pulled against me. I even tried to average back in a little, but had to get out. And then I saw a VWAP rejection here, started breaking down through the 9 EMA, and then the 20 EMA averaged back in, but then it pulled up and got me out. Same thing here, complete rejection. Went short again at the break of the VWAP. Went short again to average in. I'm thinking, like, okay, now this is it. This is the follow through. Out of nowhere, buyers come in, squeeze us out. So I got out up here, and look at this, and same thing. Then there's just this huge flush down, and then squeeze out. So stock market's behaving irrationally right now. Setups just are not working, and so it's just kind of one of those things where it's like, you know what, I'm done. I'm not going to try to make it work. Even here with Codex, I mean, Codex is so far overextended. You would think that this could just get slam down to some of these levels. And you know what? Probably at some point today it will. But unfortunately, I've got to keep it moving. I have to go out of town today, and so I don't have time. I don't have time to see how this stuff plays out. I don't have time to try to dig myself out of a hole. So you can see here we're going to end the day down $252.23. So, but it's been a great week. So I'm not mad at that at all. I'll take a $200-300 loss any day over $1,000 loss or a $2,000 loss. And I think the last loss that I took in the market a couple weeks ago was $2,000. So obviously we've dug ourselves out of that hole, and so we're doing well. We're doing well. I'm just going to call it a day here, and I'll be back here Monday ready to trade again. So you guys have a good weekend. Take care.